Biden administration ends humanitarian parole for Afghan refugees. The Biden administration has announced that as of October 1st, 2022, Afghan nationals will no longer be able to enter the U.S. under the Humanitarian Parole Authority. This change is part of the new refugee resettlement strategy and is a significant shift in the U.S. government's approach to resettlement amidst a refugee crisis in Afghanistan. Roughly 90% of the 86,000 Afghans that have resettled in the U.S. since August 2021 were admitted through the parole process, and this policy change could leave tens of thousands of Afghans with pending parole requests stranded overseas. Up until the most recent revision, Afghan evacuees could be admitted to the U.S. through the humanitarian process known as parole. Urgent humanitarian parole allows high-risk refugees to bypass the lengthy visa or asylum process when entering the United States. Recipients of the parole are able to live and work in the U.S. for a specific duration of time, but they are not granted permanent resident status or provided a pathway to U.S. citizenship. The new policy's main objective, dubbed Operation Enduring Welcome, is to ensure future Afghan arrivals have a direct pathway to permanent legal status in the U.S. Essentially, the government is shifting its focus away from parole and moving toward the resettlement of Afghan evacuees who qualify for permanent residence under specific immigration programs. As per the program, there is a priority order: Afghans who are immediate family members of U.S. citizens, evacuees currently residing in the U.S., applicants who are eligible for special immigrant visa, CIV status. For Afghans who do not fall into one of these three priority categories, legally entering and resettling in the U.S. is likely to become more difficult with parole no longer an option. The policy revisions has been met with some criticism by immigration advocates and lawmakers. The government's response to the Afghan refugee crisis has been bureaucratic and slow. In the past year, Afghan evacuees have grappled with a historically flawed special immigrant visa, CIV system, accusations of discrimination amidst mass denials of parole cases, and other visa processing delays. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Boundless for the latest in immigration news. Thanks for watching.